Welcome to the CBS 4 Marketplace.
We are here today with Will Sadler. He is the Director of Transitions of Indiana, and today we are in their brand new hair loss treatment center. You guys have taken over the first floor here at the Pyramids. It is absolutely beautiful. What can clients expect?
Thank you, Heather. Yeah, we're super excited to have this new space. We really designed this in mind of our clients. You know, extra space. We're able to ensure safety, comfort, privacy for our clients. Super excited to walk you guys through this space today.
I think another thing people don't realize is you offer a full range of salon services for your clients.
Yeah, we do, Heather, and it's really important to be able to provide these types of services for our clients that are going through the thinning process, through hair loss, using the right type of products, techniques to ensure that their results are being protected in the long term as well.
It makes perfect sense. And will you continue to do hair transplants and non-medical procedures here too?
Correct. Yes. Yeah. So Heather, here we're actually in our hallway with private rooms for our laser hair therapy, which is an FDA-approved method for stimulating hair growth.
Right.
We also offer PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. We also have the latest and greatest in biotechnology for exosomes, and through the affiliation with We Grow Hair Indy, we're also able to offer the latest in hair transplant technology too.
And what I love about your consultants is their clients too, including you.
Yes. Yeah. So I had a hair transplant about 5 years ago. We understand what it's like to go through hair loss. It's an emotional thing, it's a private thing, and being able to meet with someone that you know has gone through this as well we find is very important.
Yeah, absolutely. Give these guys a call and restore your hair today.